Hello and welcome to Module 7.0 Email Marketing 101, where you'll get a solid introduction to email marketing. Now, if you're already familiar with email marketing, this module will help you get more clarity on email marketing and potentially give you some new ideas, strategies, and techniques that will help you take your email marketing to the next level. In the next few modules, you'll discover what is email marketing, why you should take email marketing seriously, why an email list is one of the most important assets you'll build in your business, and also an introduction to autoresponders and opt-in forms. After you complete the modules in this section, you'll discover why email marketing is a crucial building block inside your business, and you'll also discover the tools and strategies you need to be implementing it and how to get started. So without further ado, let's dive in. Email marketing is the practice of connecting with prospects, leads, and customers via email, with a view to creating brand awareness, provide information, customer support, and of course, making sales. Now, a lot of people wrongly overlook email as an old and outdated method. However, email is the most trusted form of business communication there is, and it still drives more traffic to websites than social media. Think about it, there are literally billions of people on the internet today, but not everyone actively uses Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, etc. But almost everyone who uses the internet has an email address that they check regularly. So why should you take email marketing seriously? If you own any type of website, whether it's a blog or an e-commerce site, there's absolutely no point in carrying on without building an email list. There are four main reasons for this. Number one, an email list is an asset that is owned by you, which you can leverage to send instant traffic to your website. An email list is traffic on demand. If you ever want to ensure people return to your website after visiting for the first time, you'll need to build an email list so that you can entice them back to your website regularly to build familiarity and confidence in your brand. Your email list is a traffic source only you can influence, without having to worry about algorithm changes, or if a particular social media network goes out of business or loses its relevance. Relying on Google for your traffic is like expecting to stay in a rented property forever. When you advertise on Google or rely on search traffic, you're building your business on what we call rented land. When you build a list of targeted email subscribers, you're building a business on owned land where you call the shots. Everything you do online should eventually lead to the growth of your email list. How much revenue and traffic you can generate has a direct correlation to the size of your email list. There seems to be a myth that email is dead, particularly coming from die-hard social media advocates, but nothing could be further from the truth. According to a recent study from email marketing company GetResponse, there are 3 times more email user accounts than Facebook and Twitter combined. Here's some evidence that email marketing is still a viable and powerful method of connecting with your audience and customers. Email use is growing, especially on mobile. In 2011, mobile accounted for 8% of opens compared to 2015, with 55% opens on mobile. 58% of adults check their email first thing in the morning. When asked which medium consumers would like to receive updates from, 90% of people preferred an email newsletter, while only 10% chose Facebook. Email is the number one most popular activity on a smartphone. 78% of people check email on their mobile phone. As you can see, email is still very much part of everyday life, and as a business owner, you can capitalize on this by building an email database of leads and customers who look forward to receiving your emails, which I'll be showing you how to do it inside of this module. When you build an email list, you build a valuable asset for your brand. One of the most profitable assets you can create for your business is your email list. When you build a big enough email list, you'll literally be able to send an email and generate income within minutes. That's why building a targeted and responsive email list is one of the most profitable things you can do for your business. Be professional and always get permission. Email marketing is permission-based marketing. So only send emails to people who have given you their consent, i.e. they've joined your list from an opt-in form on your site or given you permission otherwise. Do not use Outlook, Gmail, or Hotmail to mass email people you've added to your list, and use a dedicated email service provider such as MailChimp or Aweber. Collect email addresses on your website via opt-in forms or use dedicated landing pages for specific promotions. Now, one of the reasons email marketing is so effective is because it's permission-based marketing, meaning you can only send emails to people who have given you their consent to share information with them related to your products or services. So anything outside of that is spam. So for example, you can't just add people to your email list and start sending them promotions. You'll only alienate people, and you could end up paying a financial penalty under the CAN Spam Act. A smart thing to do is to build your email list ethically and by using a dedicated email marketing service or autoresponder tool such as MailChimp or Aweber that can collect emails from people who visit your website or landing page through an opt-in form. So when someone signs up to your email list, they're giving you the green light to show them how your product or service can actually add value to their lives or solve a problem that they have. Take your readers through a process. When it comes to building a powerful brand, email marketing is one of the fastest ways to build a targeted audience of people you can promote your business to. It's all about taking your email subscribers through a process, taking them from cold traffic right to hot traffic. So people who are aware of your product or service, they know you, they like you, they trust you, and they've bought from you before. So you want to take that customer from being a cold prospect to someone who is engaged, to somebody who's made a purchase, and to somebody who repeat buys. That's the end game. And you can do all of that through building a responsive email newsletter. Speaking of which, we shouldn't really refer to them as newsletters. Nobody wants a newsletter. Newsletters aren't sexy. You need to know what to send your email subscribers so you're not just another boring newsletter. When you follow this 3-step process I'm about to reveal to you, you'll be on your way to cultivating a deep connection with a community of email subscribers who can't wait to open your emails. So later on this module, I'll be showing you how to set up email campaigns that do just that, so you can start enjoying the success you deserve in your business. So the first thing you want to do is set the tone and create positive expectancy in the minds of your subscribers. Second thing you want to do is train your subscribers to respond to your emails and always respond back. And that's one of the secrets to a responsive email list. So you want to let them know what's coming, what content you'll be sending, and how often you're going to be emailing them, so they know straight out of the gate what to expect. Thirdly, delight your customers, your subscribers, with relevant and timely content. So let's say there's stuff going on in you've got to sometimes refer to popular culture. So whatever everybody's talking about, whatever's trending at the time, make reference to that because it grabs people's attention. You've got to meet people where they're at, what they're already thinking about, and be part of the conversation rather than taking their attention away from what's going on and just trying to force things down their neck. You've got to be part of the conversation that's already happening, and that's why it always goes back to inspire, educate, entertain. So you've got to entertain them sometimes, you've got to inspire them sometimes, and you've got to educate them sometimes. So with that being said, I hope you got tons of value from this introductory module to email marketing. You've successfully completed module 4.0, email marketing 101. So now you should be clear on why email marketing is a smart investment of your time, energy, and money. Now, I encourage you to take action on all the forthcoming modules to get your email marketing campaign started. And in the next module, I'll be going through some practical steps to get you started and how you can start growing your email list. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care and bye for now.